I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I've loved you for a day. I won't let go. I'll love you for a day. I won't let go.
And lagi nga namin pinag-uusapan na this time, whatever happens, maglilingkod at maglilingkod kami. 10 ng aming bubuing pamilya, maglilingkod kami sa Panginoon. Ayun ang pinaka-focus namin, sentro ng pamilya namin.
In the darkest night,
Love, yung mapapromise ko sa iyo. Magiging responsible wife ako para sa iyo. Magiging isang mapagmahal na asawa at magiging responsible na nanay in the future.
I love you like EXO.
Aalagaan ko siya, iingatan ko siya, iti-treasure ko siya, mamahalin ko siya hanggang sa huli.
When I saw you,
Nandito lang ako, kaagapay mo sa gawain, sa church. Alam ko si Lord yung magpapalakas sa atin, yung magbubuklod sa atin kung ano yung mga dapat nating gawin sa pagbuo ng isang pamilya.
I don't deserve it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Shoot me down with sugar cane, cellophane, and all that's in between. Shoot me down with lethal aim, baby girl, I won't tell a thing. Oh, how seasons change, wind's picking up, I better look out. 'Cause you
Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong maramdaman kasi mixed emotion.
Hindi ko ma-explain yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, pero excited ako.
just want to love you.
Family, una akong ina sa lahat. Even na marami tayong mga ministry, pero still, family pa rin. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin. Dito lang kami kahit anong mangyari sa amin.
Tingin mo lang sa kapatid.
Yeah.
Buksan niyo, makita
Hold my heart, rip it apart.
Nagkakilala kami ni Jen during Daily Vacation Bible School. Isa akong teacher, then siya yung estudyante ko.
After 10 years or 11 years, parang pinagtagpo ulit kami. Parang sa perfect timing ni God, nabigyan ulit ng chance. Second chance. Stephanie!
'Cause you said something, and I said something,
Ito para kay
nothing.
Pogi.
I just want to love you. I just want to love you.
Isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko kay Jen yung pagiging sweet niya, paka-thoughtful niya, in small things. Nandun na gumagawa siya ng effort para ipakita kung gaano ako ka-special sa kanya.
Nakikita ko yung sarili ko na nagiging responsable din in terms sa family, sa church, as a person.
Sana magandang buhay yung tatahakin mo.
Lalagay ka na sa tahimik, sabi nila, pero dapat masayang pagpapamilya.
I just want to love you. I just want to love you. I just want to love you. I just want to love you.
In marriage, kahit na anong gagawing paghahanda ni Israel at ni Jenny, there will be a time na our best effort would always come short. At sa wedding na to, yung best effort ng mag-asawa fell short. They have prepared for it, pero nakita natin na yung preparation nila ay nagkulang pa din. But nonetheless, the Lord Jesus not only graced itong wedding, but also the Lord Jesus affirmed that wedding is important, or rather, marriage is important.
Always remember kung ano yung pangako niyo for today. You will always
I
remember that.
live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last
ang isang nagpatibay talaga sa amin is yung God first talaga. Kumbaga, siya yung sentro ng relasyon, hindi yung kami, kundi she is my second best.
Give my hand to you with all my heart. Can't wait to live my life with you. Can't wait to start. You and I will never be.
Kung paano naging matatag yung relationship namin at kung bakit kami nandito na. Kasi andyan si God. Alam ko si God yung nagiging center ng relationship namin. Kaya nandito na kami sa punto na to na napag-desisyon na namin na magpapakasal.
From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give.
Love ko. This is it. See you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Love, see you later. Love you.
You're the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayers from up above.
Alagaan at iibigin, mamahalin hanggang sa huling hininga. Ako'y nangangako na hawak kamay tayo maglilingkod at magpupuri sampu ng ating bubuing pamilya sa ating dakilang Diyos na manlilikha, nabubuhay, magpakailanman.
From this moment, as long as
Love, I will always choose you and love you, even when situation is a bit tough and hard to deal with. We will help and support each other our best way possible. I love you, my love, and thank you for choosing me as your wife. I love you.
I will love you as long as